Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Park the Outback on level ground, shift into park, and apply the parking brake. Place two wheel chocks ahead of the front tires and loosen rear lug, nuts one turn with a breaker bar. Position a floor jack under the rear designated jack point and lift until the tire clears. Then install two jack stands under the pinch welds rated for the vehicle weight. Remove the wheel and finish wheel removal. You will torque lug nuts to 88 ft-pounds, 120 Nm, during final installation. Locate the rear caliper and remove the two guide bolts using a 14 mm socket. Carefully pull the caliper off the rotor and hang it with a bungee or wire so the brake hose is not stressed. Slide out the old pads and inspect pad backing and wear. New rear pads measure about 10 mm thick, and you should replace them if they are below 3 mm. Before installing new pads, use a C-clamp to compress the piston evenly while watching the brake fluid reservoir to avoid overflow. If replacing the rotor, clean the hub and install the rotor, then reinstall the wheel and hand start lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and torque lug nuts in a star pattern to 88 ft-pounds, 120 Nm. Reinstall caliper and new pads, tighten guide bolts snugly, and top off the brake fluid reservoir with DOT3 or DOT4 fluid as specified by Subaru. Bleed the rear brakes until the pedal is firm and air-free. And finally, adjust the parking brake so the lever reaches about 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.